Then swing them with your left hand. It must be your left hand and come back to your spot. Now the person on your right, swing them with your right hand. Person on the left, swing them with your left hand. Person on the right, swing them with your right hand. Person on the left, swing them with your left hand and come back to the middle. Fantastic. And swing to the left. And swing to the right. And swing to the left. And swing to the right. And swing to the left and stop. And hold hands in your line. And you're going to be facing those other people that you were dancing with. So you're going to walk in for 4 to them and go, woo! 1, 2, 3, woo! 2, 3, 4. Now this time, just make sure you're at the spokes of the wheel. So can you guys just move over a little bit here because it's going to be important for this next bit. So that you're like a spoke of the wheel coming out from me, like this. Lovely. So you're going to walk straight through that line and meet another line of people for 8. So walk straight through whichever way you can get it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new friends. Hooray! So let's walk that one